Any product table you can think of can be created with your favorite plugin, Ninja Tables. And it comes with another table creation option for you, FluentCart table. FluentCart starts a new era of WordPress e-commerce. This plugin redefines the e-commerce world by ensuring a faster, lighter, and simpler solution. In this video, I'll show you how to create a FluentCart table in Ninja Tables, also how to customize the table layout and embed it into your WordPress site, and more. Trust me, this will enhance the shopping experience and increase your sales. So let's get into the process. I just need both FluentCart and Ninja Tables activated in my dashboard for integration. And I'm ready to go. Since I already have FluentCart installed, I can access the FluentCart table right away. Well, if you're a beginner, don't worry. This integration is super easy and only requires 3 steps. To start selling the product in the FluentCart table, you need to add product. As you can see, I already have products in my store and product category, prices, everything is set. However, to help you get started faster, FluentCart gives you some ready-made dummy products so you can try things out right away. Now, I'll head over to the Ninja Tables dashboard, and from there, let's click on create your first table. From the list in the table creation menu, let's select the FluentCart table. So as soon as I click on, the setup panel shows up here, where I'll actually decide which product to display in the table. First, I will give the table a clear name. Next, I'll choose the product category. You can pick multiple categories or leave it blank to show all products. The next option works just like the categories, but for product brands, I'll filter the table to show only specific brands. Let me also check the box to hide any out of stock items. Finally, I'll decide how the table should be sorted by default. I like initial order by product stock in an ascending way. Okay, I'm all set now. So time to press the create products table button. Don't worry, you can always change what you selected. This is in the next step. Nice, your first FluentCart table is ready. Now you'll see all the familiar Ninja Tables tab right at the top. Clicking the banner labeled, you may update the FluentCart query settings here. You can see it reveals a solid set of options organized into 3 tabs. So let's go through the options one by one. Under the appearance section, you can see some checkboxes for cart button details and bulk actions, and text boxes for cart and checkout button texts. I'm gonna go ahead and change the cart button and checkout button text to something like this, and also enable the bulk options. So customers can easily apply any bulk options in the table front end. So if I go to the preview page, I can select multiple products, as you can see, and add them to the cart, and even bulk select products to compare. That's a handy feature of Ninja Tables. Well, let's get back to the settings page again. The next tab is for query settings. If you think, oh, I wanna add more products or I need to tweak something, you can handle it right there. But I'm not going to do anything here. I'm happy with what I selected. Okay, so the next tab allows you to add more information to your table, just like in any other table created by Ninja Table. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to add a new column for product description. So let's configure the column. So I'll name the column as description, and data type, it should be single line text field. Scroll down to the dynamic column data settings, and I'll choose the field type as post data and enter the field value product short description. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Okay, so nice. Let's add the column, and here is my brand new column showing all the products short descriptions in this table. The product table is already looks good, but Ninja Tables offers some easy customization to make it even better. From the top bar, let's open the table configuration tab, and as you can see, there are multiple options. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a custom filter, which will give my customer precise control over the data they see. So at first, I'll put the filter title, search by stock, and from the filter type UI, I'll pick radio. Now, let me provide the value under filter options, and remember that it should match your table cell data, and the filter column will be stock. Also, I'll check the box, and that's it. Let's update it. And now, let's go to the preview page and check whether everything is working or not. Yes, it works exactly the way I want. You can also add checkbox filters or reset buttons. And you'll find additional options in the table configuration tab that you can use based on what you need. Anyway, the look of your table matters a lot, and attractive design keeps customers engaged. So I'll tweak the table styling a bit here, and I'll fast forward this part for you. Moreover, you can also add custom CSS if you want to personalize the table even more. Okay, and if you want to share table data with others or back it up, you can do that by exporting it to a CSV or JSON file. Now, let me save all the settings and the table's done. If I jump to the preview page, you can see I have got a nice table layout that actually drives sales. So let's copy the shortcode given above and embed it anywhere on your WordPress site. As you can see, the filters and color highlights make this table feel a lot more interactive and user-friendly on the front end. So customer can now filter the product and also perform the bulk operations smoothly. Tables like this really help customers browse quickly and buy with confidence. So if your FluentCart store is ready to go, Ninja Tables is exactly what you need to display your products in a smarter and customizable way that drives sales. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.